start. Matter pertains to appointment to the post of deputy director in the other backward class category stop. Appointments to the vacancies in the aforesaid post were to be made in the office of Competition Commission of India stop. The three appellants in these three appeals were also the candidates who appeared in the written test stop. After qualifying the written statement, they also faced the interview stop. However, their names did not appear in the list of candidates finally selected stop. According to the appellants, their non selection was the result of altering the prescribed mode of selection midway, that is, after the initiation of recruitment process, which was impermissible stop. This contention has not found favor with either the learned single judge in the writ petitions filed by them or the division bench of the High Court in the appeals filed by them challenging the order of the learned single judge stop. Bone of contention before us also remains the same stop. Therefore, the issue which needs to be decided is as to whether there was any change in the mode of selection after the process of selection had started stop. CCI had issued the notification through public notice inviting applications for various posts stop. We are concerned with the post of deputy director for which 13 vacancies were stop. Clause 7 of the notification stipulated the mode of selection in the following manner. All the applications received by the due date will be screened with reference to the minimum qualification criteria stop. From amongst the eligible candidates, suitable candidates will be short listed through a transparent mechanism, and the short listed candidates will be called for interview before final selection stop. Mere fulfilling of minimum qualifications by itself would not entitle any applicant for being called for interview stop. The eligibility, qualification, experience required for this post was also provided in the advertisement stop. It is undisputed that the appellants fulfilled the eligibility condition, being holder of degree of Bachelor of Law professional as well as 3 years experience in the relevant field including in the corporate sector stop. Written test for this post was held on for short listed of candidates for interview stop. Admit card was also issued to the appellants for appearing in the written test along with the detailed instructions including the scheme of examination stop. Paragraphs 4 and 9 of the instruction which were given to the examinees candidates are relevant for our purposes, and therefore we reproduce the same here under stop.